Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 21st tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to check out a few link properties in CSS. So as you can see, I have a file opened up in my text editor, and it's got a few style rules in the style section, within the head section, and in the body section I've got an inline style rule that's going to change the font size of everything in the body to 24 points, right? And then I've got an anchor tag, and it's basically going to link this text with this URL, and I'm just redirecting to google.com, and the text is Google. So if you would open this page in the browser, you would see something like this. So I've got the text Google, and we're going to see the properties that have been applied to this text, or rather this link. So in the file, you can see that I have A, which stands for anchor, so we are applying the properties to the anchor element, and then we are using the property link, right? So I'm changing the color of the link to orange, and that's why you can see that the link appears in orange. And then if suppose you want the color of this link to change when someone hovers over it, then in that case you would have to use the hover property. So here I've set the color to black, and uh, when you'll hover over this link, you can see that the color changes to black. So when you move your cursor away from it, it switches back to orange, and when you take your cursor on it, it changes to black. The next thing is, if suppose you want the color of the link to change to something else, if a user clicks on it but doesn't release the click, right? So what I mean to say is, I'll take my pointer over this link. The color has changed to black because of the hover property. Now I'll click on the link, but I won't release the click. So you can say that see that the color has changed to red, right? And that's because in my file here, I have used the color red for active links. So when you click on a link but you don't release your click, the link becomes active, and that's why the color changes to red. Lastly, if a user has clicked on the link and has also released the click, that is, if the user has been redirected to whatever URL is associated with the text, in our case it's just Google, the color of the link would change to blue, and that's because I have the visited property here. So a colon visited, and the color is blue. So to demonstrate that, I'll right click on this link and I'll open it in a new tab, and here google.com has opened in a new tab, and when I'll go back to this tab, I'll see that the color has changed to blue, right? So these are the 4 link properties that I wanted to demonstrate in this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next video, in which we'll check out more interesting CSS properties, and that's it for now. Take care.